Hello guys, you use smartphone Ulefone Note 7T. This version 2GB RAM memory and 16GB Intel memory in the purple color. Okay, look, complectation. In complectation we have protected film on display, documentary, protected back cover, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay. And now talk about phone made of plastic. On the back side triple camera and LED, on the front side 6.1-inch display front camera. On this side without controls, right side power key and long keys, downside micro USB port, upside headphones jack. Okay, open back cover. Under back cover we have battery, 3500 mAh, 2 slot for nano SIM card, or one slot for nano SIM card, second slot for micro SD card and micro SIM card. Okay. Close back cover and turn on device. Display HD IPS. Open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. We have 10 Android, CPU MediaTek MT6761. This quad-core processor, CPU speed 1.8 GHz. Look, GPU results, CPU results, GPU results doesn't work, and Antutu benchmark not work. Open demanding game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the max graphic level. Game works good on this level. Without lags and glitches. Okay. Close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.